We're on the planer, making machine parts. Pretty big monstrosity. We're making this. Got like a little compound angle in here. And we're making that. This tool that's been ground to the same angles. That's the finishing tool. And start out by roughing it with this tool. It's almost a 45. It's a 39. Gives us a compound of these angles in here. It's cutting. Mix up those two. There. The machine drags it through and it cuts it off. It's like kind of cuts like a long drill press. Instead of the bit turn around and around, it just goes in a straight line all the way down 20 feet. Pretty nifty. When they're all done, ends look like that. Nice and smooth in here. Over here we have all the controls. This is for the mill head, which is on the other side we're not using right now. This one controls both of them, up and down. This one controls the planer, which is the one we're using now. Controls that. We gotta manually crank it up and down. This is the fast mode. This is the feed setting, how far you want it to go down. You turn this crank right here. It moves up and down. We got dial indicators to show how far it's moving. You know, 10 thousandths, 100 thousandths. Up and down one right there. Give us a reference. There's another mill head that's attached to it that we're not using right now. That's the lower controls right here and down there. Also another feed dial. Feed it in. Pretty big monstrosity. Got a DC converter back here. Big machine back here making all the noise. Turn that on. All the lights in the shop dim. Control panel. Turns everything on and off. We got our control box. This is actually what makes the table move. Emergency shut off down here at the bottom. The little toggle switch. Easy access, so in case of an emergency. You can see the table's moving back and forth. Runs it right through this cutter. We're just getting started now. Taking off about 50 thousandths, which is almost a 16th of an inch. Showing it off piece by piece. Put the V in it. Still rough though. Can't tell. Slower now. Taking off less. About 2 thousandths right now. I'm going to make it a glassy finish.